Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. I am highlighting for you this morning a tree that we have literally used one time, but I like it. I like it as long as it's used correctly. Very often this tree is not used correctly. A landscaper will put a small one, which, by the way, these are small ones that are about 4 to 6 feet tall. They're a cute little plant. Landscapers will put them at a corner of a house to accent the house, but this tree grows entirely too large for that application. But in other applications, it is perfect. You can see it's very dense and thick. By the way, this is a Japanese blueberry tree, and it will easily reach a height of 20 feet. You can see that these are shaped in a conical shape. That means cone shaped. For those of you from Rio Linda, California, that means cone shaped. So, pardon me for making fun of California, but I can't help it. These are a great tree as a privacy screen. If you want them bigger, a double row would be preferable, so that you can have a first row planted about as far apart as these are, which looks like maybe 12 feet, and the second row offset. In other words, even though the second row is behind the first row, the trees are between the first row. So real nice tree, very thick, very full, very heavy, gets pretty big, and it is an option for those of you who want a privacy screen. So I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We sell every tree grown in Florida. Go to our website, check it out, give us a call from there, and we'll get trees in for you right away. Have a great day.